Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! It's a great day to be in Canada today. Most days are. But today is National Caesar Day, the official cocktail of Canada. So, let's make one. When is Caesar Day, you say? It is the Thursday before the Victoria Day long weekend, the May 2-4. So, I'm not making a traditional Caesar, but we're doing it my way, GB way, bastard style, the way I like it. First things first, vodka. Get a good vodka. Today we're using this Polish Wooooooo, a Vibo, 100% rye grain. Like I said, get a good vodka made from rye grain or potatoes. Don't get some shit like Smirnoff that's made out of corn. Fuck that. And to go with our Wooooooo, what's Clamato? You have to have Clamato juice. And today, we're not just using the ordinary one, we're using the pickled bean, because I like that one. We're also going to need some Worcestershire sauce, horseradish, hot sauce of your choosing, ground pepper, celery salt, lime, and traditionally you would use celery stalk. Well, I got some fresh asparagus from a farm just down the road, so I like asparagus, especially local. So, we'll be doing that. Yeah, how about that? And of course, ice. So, let me cut up this lime and trim up this asparagus a bit, and I'll be right back. RTFO, mofos. Woo! Alright, bitches. Got a nice wedge of lime here. Celery salt. Ba-boom. Not Canadian Molson. Hockey Canada. Boom. There you go. Boom. Done. Let's get some ice cubes. Good enough. Yeah. Vodka. We're only going to measure the first one or two. Wooooooo, a Vibo. Then we'll be going free pour. Uh-oh, spilled some. Alcohol abuse. Ba-boom. Victor. Not good. Don't spill the vodka. A little bit of ground pepper. Nice. Horseradish. As much as you like. We won't go too stupid since we're going to have a few of these. Fuck. Spill that. Clean out the horseradish. Because I'm a spiller. You watch any of my videos, I'm always spilling shit. Gone. Next. Good enough. A little. One more for good luck. Good enough. Hot sauce. Good enough. Clamato. your lime, and instead of the celery, ba-boom, asparagus. Well, happy National Caesar Day, bitches. Hashtag National Caesar Day. Cheers, big ears. Oh, fuck, that's good. Right on. I like that. I'd also like to mention that I was asked specifically to do this video by a very good friend of mine. Someone I've known for, fuck, since 1979. This is 2021. You do the fucking math. It's a long time. There you go, buddy. Happy National Caesar Day to you. Cheers, big ears. Fuck, that's good. Alright, and didn't think I wasn't gonna go without tasting my fresh asparagus, did you? Yummy. I'll cut the next one longer. Alright, bitches. Such a short video. I don't know. Maybe we should cook something. What do you think? I think we should cook something. I'll go figure this out. Maybe I already did. You never know. RTFO, mofos. Make a Caesar. Buy good vodka.